Welcome to the last video in this Sage 50 Cloud tutorial. I am the Bookkeeping Master. Thank you so much for watching these videos. In the last video of this tutorial, we're going to go through the bank module, bank payments, and bank receipts. So far in this tutorial, we've covered a number of aspects of Sage, mainly the basics, to do with adding customers, adding suppliers, viewing customer accounts, viewing supplier accounts, recording supplier invoices or purchase invoices, raising and recording sales invoices or customer invoices, allocating customer payments or receipts, allocating supply payments, and lots of other things. It's all been the basics. There is so much more to Sage than what this tutorial has covered, but from this tutorial you should have learnt the basics of Sage 50 Cloud. Now, after this tutorial, I highly suggest you go to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com, click on free stuff, because most of my content is for free. Scroll down to learn Sage, click on the link. There are plenty more Sage tutorials and videos for you to watch on this page, where you can learn more about the Sage software, more advanced aspects of the software, such as bank reconciliations, VAT returns, backing up data, how you can customize the layout and things like that, or also go into fixed assets, depreciation, and a number of other things. It's all on this page. If you need assistance with Sage 50 Online or Sage 50 Cloud, then I do offer email support. It's all under services. I also offer one-to-one Sage tuition, all based online, under services too. If you found this series helpful, please please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support this content, then you can make a small donation through PayPal here. You don't need a PayPal account. All major debit and credit cards are accepted, all securely processed with PayPal. I obviously am not paid for this material. It's all for free. It's all online. You don't even have to register to view this material, so any support is appreciated. Now, for the last video in this series, let's talk about bank payments and bank receipts. Now, there are times when money is paid into the bank or paid out of the bank when we're not allocating payments to invoices. That's either sales invoices or purchase invoices. When we're faced with those sort of payments and receipts, we need to use bank payment and bank receipts. So let's do bank interest first of all. That's bank interest received on the bank deposit account. If we click on the bank deposit account and click bank receipt, you'll see that 1210, which is the bank deposit account, shows automatically. That's because that account is highlighted, just like it did when we did customer receipts and supplier payments. Enter the date of the receipt. So let's do the 28th of the 9th. The reference, if there is one, and then the nominal code. Let's put this under. Let's have a look at the 4000 codes. There is a royalties received, miscellaneous income. We'll put this under miscellaneous income, and we can put the details as bank savings interest. You can obviously change miscellaneous income to bank interest received by going to the nominal code list and editing that nominal code as explained in a previous video in this series. I'm just going through this rather quickly because I'm just demonstrating how to use the software. Put in the amount received. Let's do £4.36. There's no VAT, so T0. Or we can use T9, they're both 0. One is 0%, one is exempt, and we click save. You can now see a balance on that account of £4.36 because that's the transaction we've just entered. And on the activity for bank deposit account, we have transaction number 15, which is bank receipt, 28th of the 9th, bank interest received. So click on bank payment. This could be a bank charge or insurance payment, something like that. We have the bank account. Make sure the right bank account is selected. Enter the date the payment was made. Find the nominal code. Let's do bank charges. 7901 is bank charges. Enter the details. So let's do bank charge for August 2019. Enter the amount, £7.80. There's no VAT. Click save. That transaction is now on the software. It's now recorded on Sage. If I go to the bank account and go to activity, you can see the bank charge here. It's highlighted. Bank payment, 15th of the 9th, £7.80. So that's the basics of Sage 50 Cloud. Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you in another Sage tutorial.